All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the HBAR family. Appreciate you guys, for sticking around and showing so much love day in, day out. But, starting off Friday, it has started off on a really positive note. If you watch my market update yesterday, I did say, the next bounce above $100,000 is going to be a breeze. And this is a perfect example of what we've been discussing, because you're looking at the price of Bitcoin making its way back above $100,000. A lot of interesting things to cover. But if you're looking at HBAR, it's up 13% right now on the daily time frame, which is of course great to see. But let's take a closer look, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting going further into the weekend. But before we do that though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 32 cents, up 12.6% in USD, also up 10.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $12.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 2.3 billion. Absolutely amazing to see. But when I really pull out the charts, things will make more sense. But yeah, let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. So the dominance index is still sitting at about 55.5%. So pretty much meaning that even though Bitcoin has seen this massive breakout, back above that $100,000 price point, and we could actually see a daily candle closing, above the $100,000 today. And if it's able to do that, I think you could see Bitcoin start heading towards new all-time highs. But the dominance has not moved. So altcoins are still outpacing. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum had once again a major bounce, up 5.4%. Broader market is up right now, reacting in a really positive way to this Bitcoin move. But yeah, if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, you guys can see this for yourself. Exactly what we spoke about in the market analysis update. That we did see a major shakeout to shake out all these longs and shorts. We saw $1 billion in liquidation yesterday. And again, not a major surprise to me, because of course, these market makers and whales are going to do that when there is a lot of bullish sentiment to shake out, the longs and the shorts. And that's what we saw happen. And here we are, the price of Bitcoin is picking up pretty much where it left off of. And I know the people that got liquidated, they're probably, not too happy about this. I wouldn't be happy, nor would anyone, right? Let's just be honest. Like, no one would be happy at the fact that, if you got liquidated, your thoughts were right that, the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. And I'm only specifically talking about the longs, but you saw a complete shakeout. The positions got wiped out. And here we are, the Bitcoin's picking up pretty much where it left off of. And this is why I tell each and every one of you guys to stay away from leverage trading platforms, because moments like this can literally break your complete trade. Of course, that means money is gone. So don't fall for these bonuses that you get, one-time bonus or whatever the crap that goes around. I'm totally against it. I'm not going to name any specific exchange. I'm just against leverage trading to begin with. But yeah, amazing move for Bitcoin today. Looking at HBAR though, because of course that's what everyone wants to know. HBAR is back in the 0.50. It's not like we left the 0.50, but we're back in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Let's kind of take a look at it on the hourly time frame, give you guys a little bit of a closer look as to what's happening with HBAR. But CASP was also on the move. Shout out to the CASP community. We'll make you guys an update later on. But you can see this for yourself. HBAR is making some moves, guys. Let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame. There we are. So remember, I spoke to you guys yesterday. We still did not retest the 27 cents key support line, which is great to see. But we did break out, of course, today. And if you picked up some HBAR yesterday at the 61.8 Fibonacci, just for a few moments, around the 27.56 cents, you are up right now 20%, guys. Yes, you've heard that correct. And what's really important now is because this literally 32 cents is a key resistance. If this resistance is able to break out, I think we could actually make our way up to the 36 cents price point. And of course, after that, you guys know the rest is history. We could start heading towards the main resistance, which we've been talking about on this channel. So you're starting to realize that, hold on, the price of HBAR is not looking so bad, and now everyone is starting to probably understand that, nothing goes up straight forever. There will be consolidations. There will be impacts, due to, the dominance, due to what Bitcoin does, and you cannot be ignoring. And here we are, things are picking up. And what you want to see as an HBAR holder is to see that close for the daily candle around this range. If it's able to do that, big confirmation that, we could see that next leg up really starting for HBAR and start heading towards, the likes of that the most important resistance right now in my eye is at that 44 cents price point. And if you want to put this into perspective, that is a move of about 37.36%. And pretty much after we break out of our yearly high, which was was around 40 cents, this would be that next main target I'd be looking out for. And after that, obviously the 23.6 is, the all-time high territory that I treat it as. And after that, the rest is history in my opinion. So, looking amazing right now for HBAR. Obviously pay very close attention to Bitcoin as well, where Bitcoin closes, but I'm really liking the setup with the Ethereum move right now. I think this could really bring in a lot of exposure into altcoins yet again, and have these coins moving towards more highs. And I think the utility projects, which a lot of people used to think are dead coins, are going past all-time highs. Momentum speaks for itself. Looking at the 24-hour trading volume, it is lower right now compared to the 2 weeks back, and I think that is going to come again, and we will see the likes of these levels being retested. But I'm very optimistic that we do head towards that major resistance next. So let me know your thoughts down below as to what you guys think. Of course, after we crack past an all-time high, we enter price discovery mode. So that is going to be very exciting. But let me know where you think the price of HBAR is going. Love each and every one of you guys. Cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. It's been amazing. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.